Do you want to lose weight fast? Have you tried lots of diets and failed? Have you tried all these fad things that everybody says, oh, you're going to lose weight overnight, but you never do? I have the answer for you today. So in this short video series, I'm going to give you all the key points to follow and how to stay motivated to follow them so that you can lose weight fast and be the happy, healthy, fit person that you want to be, whether it's for performance or health or whatever else. So here we go. Number one, every diet book completely agrees with me on this topic. It doesn't matter if you're going vegan, or if you're going paleo, or if you're going carnivore, or you're going plant-based, or you're going Whole30, or anything else. All of them all agree that this number one key point is very, very true for everybody. And what is that? Reduce, and even better yet, eliminate processed food. All of the chips and the crackers and the cookies and the pastas, everything that mankind has changed. We want to eat whole foods, the way we are designed to eat them. Every time we process a food, you lose something in the process. Maybe it's the water in the food, maybe it's the vitamins in the food, maybe it's the minerals in the food, maybe the protein gets destroyed. But one way or the other, processed food is garbage for your body, and it's going to put the weight on and make you big. All right? It's condensed. You want to eat the whole food the way that we're supposed to eat it. You will find you become more satisfied, and you will find that you can go longer between meals and eat less, and that is the key. So, you have the choice. Think about the future you, and what would the future you do? The future you is going to pick whole, real foods to eat, to be happy and healthy and fit. So when those choices are presented to you, stop, wake up, pay attention, have some awareness, and make the choice that's going to help you reach your goals and lose the weight fast. Start off with a week. Just focus. Throw all the garbage out of your house. Get rid of it. Don't have the temptation around. Don't buy it. Don't go through drive-thrus. Go get real whole foods and eat those. Meats, fruits, the fruity parts of vegetables, raw honey, raw dairy, the things that we evolved eating and have been eating for hundreds of thousands of years. Eat those, not all this processed garbage, all right? So that's rule number one. Like I said, think about the future you. Make the choice. You have the power to do it, but you are the one that has to step up and do it. Okay, so make sure to subscribe. It's right here in the middle. Make sure to check out the whole playlist on all the little tips to lose weight fast. Alright, it totally works. I've done it with hundreds of thousands of people. I shouldn't say hundreds of thousands. It's been hundreds, but not hundreds and thousands yet. So, make sure to like this video and check out all the rest of the little tips too, and I will see you next time. Have a happy and healthy day.